I'm going to show you how to create great photos for your students or friends using Bitmojis and making it a holiday style. So first things first, you need to ask all of your friends or colleagues to send a copy of their Bitmoji for the holiday. And as you can see, usually now you cannot get them transparent unless you want to sit there for a half hour removing the backgrounds of each one. You can do that. I did that last time. It took me quite a long time. So this time I decided I wanted to leave them as the white square. After you've done that, you will then, if you want to add a card, I got a free card offline, put it inside. And then I have my own Bitmoji, which we know if you put is transparent. So then I had to also save my Bitmoji, but as a copy. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take all of the Bitmojis, and when I saw the square, I said, what can I do with this square? And then I remembered as a child, when I used to have holiday cards, I used to take the holiday cards and make a tree. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So you have your copies of them and you just start organizing them. And then to do the tree, you just start with 2 at the bottom, and then we would put 4 above that. Then you're just going to keep going until your tree is done. And then above that would be the 3. And then above the 3 becomes the 2. And then at the top will be the 1. And then of course you go through this, play with it, make it a little bit neater. I'm just doing them a little faster for time's sake and to give you the idea. So now we have a Bitmoji tree, and ideally it would be with the group members. I only used one just for this video, but ideally it would be with the group members that they all sent. So they all sent me these photos, and then I went and added them all, and I drew the tree outline. Then I added clip art that I wanted, and I added gifts, gift bag, then the garland on the top, and the star and the ornaments. When you have completed your tree, all you have to do is go back to the beginning and start deleting. Then you will file, download as a PNG or JPEG. I like the PNG. It's saving, it's Bitmojified card, it's in my downloads, so I can upload it to my groups, or you can save it as a PDF to give it to the kids or mail it to the kids. But if you have it as this, you can email each child a card. And then I'm going to cancel that for now. Once you're done with that and you've saved it, you can then undo, and then you'll still have the clip art and the layout there if you want to look at it again. I hope this explains to you how to make a wonderful Bitmojified holiday card, and you can use these. I use them as the background for my Facebook group. I also use this to send as gift cards. And have a wonderful day. Bye.